everybody, sorry for having the same look because I just keep shooting the videos back to back because I'm so far behind. This is the April Sweet Sparkle box. And it always comes with a card that tells you everything that's in the box. And I believe this one is $21.50 as well. Somewhere, I think I'm gonna drop this one. I like it. I've liked everything I've always gotten in them. It's just that I've got too many coming. So this is High Carry, I guess that's how you say it, Starstruck Peel Off Face Mask. And this is, it says $11 value. Oh, I'm so excited though because it's peel off. I haven't had a peel off mask that you put on and let it sit until it dries and then you peel it off until, since I was probably a teenager. So yeah, I'm excited there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these next items out of the box because I'm gonna have to open them. All right. I'm losing stuff now off the desk. Okay. This is Bang Beauty. This is a $20 value and it is a felt tip. I'm not even going to open it. Felt tip precise eyeliner in the color black. If you're watching Pam, it's your favorite. Okay. I couldn't resist. Okay. Let's see. This is a Metal Vel Eyeshadow Shimmer by Phase Zero. Ooh, that is a pretty color. So we will go ahead and swatch this one. It's very metallic-y. And that must be the color right now because the past few boxes all have the copper tone to them. Okay, then this one is, and I have to open it, it's a metallic lipstick by LA Girl. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, this is a $7.35. The Bang Beauty eyeliner is $20, which I don't know why anybody would pay that much for eyeliner. My eyelashes coming off. Okay. So back to this one, and then the peel off mask was $11. I did get that. All right. I'm sorry. I'm never together. Okay, I am getting stuff everywhere, and it is definitely going to end up under my chin, like everything else does. Alright, so we are going to swatch this one as well. Let me put it next to the other one. Oh, they're both similar. I kind of wiped the other one off a little bit, but you can still see both of them. This one is the one in my hand, the LA Girl. I really like that color. It is in the color GML 859. I don't guess it has a name. Illuminate. The Phase Zero AC01, I guess would be the color on that one. LA Girl is $5 value. Then there's one more item here. I'm not even sure what it is. Let's see. I'm not going to open this one and swatch. This is Sheer Glow Blush in Senna Rose. It's, I don't know if you can tell. I'll open it because I don't know if y'all can see it through the